In this video, I will show you how to cancel Roblox Plus quickly and easily. So if you do have an active Roblox Plus subscription and you want to stop it from renewing, make sure to watch this full video all the way through so you don't miss any important steps. And before we do continue, please give this video a like, comment below if this helped you or if you have any questions, and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple Roblox tutorials and tech guides. To get started, what you want to do is open up the Roblox player on your computer or laptop, and once you've done that and logged in, if you come over to the left hand side, what you want to do is click onto more, and from here you want to click onto settings. Now once you're in your settings, you want to look for subscriptions just down here, give that a click, and this way you're going to find your current Roblox Plus subscription. So you can see mine's due to renew. I've currently got a active subscription. To cancel this, just simply click onto the arrow next to Roblox Plus, and once you've done that, you're going to see an option to cancel renewal. So give that a click. At this point, you're going to get a box come out with some information on what's going to happen if you choose to cancel your Roblox Plus subscription. So to go ahead, just click the yes cancel button, and as you can see, we get a confirmation saying you've successfully cancelled this subscription, and you're going to see the date when your Roblox Plus will expire. So that is how to cancel Roblox Plus. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.